Hi everyone, today I want to share with you this amazing portrait. How I create this stunning art using pastel medium. So come with me, let's go. So after sketching this picture using this reference picture, start sketching everything, start to put on the color, try to work on the resemblance and try to get the color effect. Was not really easy, but I really enjoy doing it though. So in the dark part of it, I start with applying some charcoal pencil. So after getting charcoal effect, then I use color to try get that darker effect and using getting the skin tone I'm using there. Here you can see as I'm applying the yellow, just trying to get the yellow effect on the face of this man as you see it in the drawing. Continue to watch, the finishing work will really amaze you. If you watch this video till this time, I just want to say thank you for watching, so still on the skin tone, trying to get the skin effect. So as you can see, I was able to get the skin effect. Now I'm working on the mouth, trying to get the mouth. What really amazed me about this work is the look of this man and the effect on the face that really got me attracted in working on project like this. It's really nice. Here every stroke of pencil or any depth really counts, so I have to be very careful. If it's your first time coming across this channel, do well to subscribe or follow and stay tuned for more art and tips. Here I teach and explain how I create my artwork using pastel medium. If you have somebody that is interested in learning artwork, invite them to follow my page or subscribe to my YouTube channel for more art and tips tutorial, both realistic painting, pencil work, abstract painting. So if you love this video, help me share, comment, tell me what you think of it, and let's go. So we'll come to the end of the video. Thank you.